Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, simply tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner. Now, select the conversation where you wanted to enable Vanish mode. To turn on Vanish mode, simply swipe up from the bottom of the chat screen. And as you can see, the Vanish mode is now activated. You will notice that the background turns dark, indicating that you are now in Vanish mode. In Vanish mode, any message you send will disappear after the recipient sees it and leaves the chat. To turn off Vanish mode, simply swipe up again from the bottom of the chat. The background will return to normal and you are back in regular chat mode. And that's how you can turn on and turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.